In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The ambassador of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan participates in the 7th China-South Asia Cooperation Forum. The Afghan and Iranian delegations discuss expanding Afghanistan's exports to Iran. And UAE rejects international media reports alleging transfer of funds to Iran. Welcome to our news package. It's Saturday, the 27th of Zulhijjah al-Haram 1447, the 23rd of Jawzah 1405, and the 13th of June 2026. The news details. Maulavi Bilal Karimi, the ambassador of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan in Beijing, participated in and addressed the 7th China-South Asia Cooperation Forum. In his remarks, Ambassador Karimi highlighted the favorable investment climate that has emerged in Afghanistan and underscored the importance of expanding trade, investment, and regional connectivity with China and other countries in the region. He described Afghanistan as a vital hub for regional connectivity and expressed hope that joint economic cooperation will be further strengthened in the future. Sayyid Karim Hashmi, the chairman of Afghanistan Chamber of Commerce and Investment, met with a delegation from Iran-Afghanistan Joint Chamber of Commerce and Iranian officials. In accordance with Afghanistan Chamber of Commerce and Investment, the meeting focused on expanding bilateral trade, increasing Afghanistan exports to Iran, promoting investment opportunities, and enhancing cooperation between the private sectors of the two countries. The news continuation. The Minister of Refugees and Repatriation announced that 763 Afghan migrants were released from prisons in Pakistan and returned to Afghanistan during past week. The ministry stated that following registration and receipt of humanitarian assistance, the returnees were transferred to their respective home regions. And ultimately, the Minister of Foreign Affairs of the United Arab Emirates has issued an official statement rejecting reports circulated by certain international media outlets regarding the transfer of funds to Iran. Based on this statement, allegations claiming that approximately $3 billion had been transferred from the UAE to Iran were entirely false and unfounded. The ministry further emphasized that no frozen Iranian assets have been released, transferred, or moved through the United Arab Emirates. We have reached the end of our news program. Further informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wishing our loyal viewers blessing time. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.